So what is the rescue formula that I have for you, right? Focus on micro wins, right? Focus on just doing, my immediate target now is doing quality study for 1 hour. That's it. If I do it, I give myself a pat on my back. Focus on one day at a time, right? Don't focus on ki I have to climb so many levels, so many floors. Just focus on one step at a time, giving your best at every step, and in no time you would see that you have climbed to the top. है ना? पहले से अगर देखोगे कि ओ माय गॉड 10th फ्लोर पे जाना है, कैसे चढ़ेंगे, तो कभी नहीं हो पाएगा. फोकस करो कि बस एक एक स्टेप करते हैं और करते करते यू विल रीच देयर. So just focus on that. Don't focus on the vastness of the syllabus, right? We do have your rapid revision reignite, which is coming up with live classes in Prep Ladder app, right? To give you that consistency as well. So you can follow that as well, right? Second rescue formula is daily reset. No matter how your today had been, right? Do not carry the baggage to tomorrow. If you could not study well today, not carry the baggage ki, oh, kal main pad nahi paya, you know, I wasted so much of time. The day gone, the time gone is gone, right? Do not let it affect your today. Okay? So don't carry today's failures and today's baggage into tomorrow. Start fresh each morning. Every morning you wake up itself is a sign, you know, that you are meant to be here on this earth, alive for a purpose, right? So always remember that. Have an anchor habit that you will stick to every day, right? That is something that you will never skip. Let's say that 50 questions PYQ custom module, or revision of what I read yesterday, 10 minutes meditation, whatever it could be. Have an anchor habit every single day. Have a buddy system, an accountability partner, right? Whom you would be accountable to. It could be your parent, it could be a sibling, it could be a friend, right? Because when you have that accountability, you know, I have to report once I finish my target for today, that definitely makes a lot of difference, right? So maybe tag your friends on Instagram, you can tag me, you can tag the Prep Ladder channel. So you are being accountable there, you know, you are reporting to someone, maybe it is virtually as well, right? So that is what you can do.